As we discussed, we can use unsupervised learning for this problem.
For both topic, we are using for clustering.
Yes, we can use for both topic clustering. Could be simple clustering or it could be fuzzy clustering.
So for first topic, first type clustering, and second also the same clustering. Is it okay?
Yes, it is okay. Let's do it and then let's see the results after that. Okay?
Okay, thank you, Ali.
Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Ali Seyed, Regional Division Head for Research on Text and Processing at Dattel. I'm here today to explain to you the process of understanding consumer behaviors and the technology that we are going to use for it. Gathering data from omnichannel is just one part of it. Later we will discuss also regarding to the tools that we build in-house that empower us to collect such big data. We are using a multi-channel approach to collect our data, what we call it actually omnichannel data collection. This data can be collected either directly from our panelists, or we can utilize our FTAs or field data associates who are doing the data collection face-to-face with the consumers themselves. After we collect this data is going to go through a rigorous cleaning process that will clean 100% of the data using AI and machine learning models. After the data is cleaned and is in our data repositories, our data analysts and our data scientists are going to utilize that data to come up with insights. This data that we call primary data is going to be later matched and married to secondary data that we call it from any third party. This bigger data set that we create can be utilized to get even more fruitful results from the analysis. We are not only utilize survey data, by the way. We are going to use different channels. We are going to utilize sensory data. We are going to utilize movement and GIS data. We are going to utilize wearables data, for example. So all of these data are going to be utilized to create actually a huge data set that we can analyze and come up with an insight for our clients. The IDEAHACK is about finding new ways to understand consumer behavior. So the ideas submitted to this IDEAHACK should be impactful and relevant to Dattel's consumer intelligence approach, of course. On the other hand, they should be feasible to be adapted into Dattel's product line, or they should be able to be offered as part of Dattel's commercial service. So if you have further questions, please do visit ideahack.dattel.asia, and then we can take it from there. Thank you.